So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 mistakes that I see day traders making, and we're going to be talking about how to fix them. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the team, hit the like button, subscribe. We talk about everything money. We talk about stocks, money management, trading, credit cards, everything. So subscribe right now. Do it right now for me. All right. So let's jump into it. All right, so the first mistake that I see 95% of traders making is actually not having a plan. They just jump into it. They look online and they see, oh, you can be a day trader in one day. You can develop a strategy, make millions of dollars. You can do this and that and this. But guys, day trading is very, very difficult and you need a map. Trading in general is like trying to navigate a jungle every single day without a map or a guide. It gets very, very difficult if you don't have it. You're gonna get lost, confused. But the more you're in that jungle, the more familiar you're gonna get with it. Trading in general is the exact same way. You need a plan. Now, what's in that plan, you may be asking? You need buying signals, selling signals. You need your risk assessment. You need risk and reward, position sizing. All this stuff is very, very important and it overall makes up your strategy. Now, the strategy you have may be different than other traders, and that's completely fine because every single trader is not the same. A strategy and a plan that works well for you may not work well for somebody else because we all have different trading styles and you need to understand that. So my recommendation in order to fix this is to develop a plan. Now, developing a plan is obviously the hard part. How do you do that? You need practice. You need practice in the market. So my recommendation, before you even use your hard-earned cash or your capital, you need to paper trade for a minimum of 1 year. Paper trading is going to allow you to be in all different types of market conditions, and you're going to develop that plan, and you're going to get bits and pieces from different traders that you like. And if you guys want, make sure you guys hit that like button and comment strategy. If you guys want me to post a video on my day trading strategy, comment strategy down in the comments. Now, once you guys develop that strategy and that plan, it's completely okay to adjust it with the markets, because just like the markets change, your strategy is going to change with it, and you need to work on that. Now, a lot of people think that once you're profitable with your cash account, you never have to paper trade again. Guys, that is completely false. I would highly recommend paper trading as much as possible. Now, honestly, the more you're in the markets, the more you're trading, the more familiar you're gonna get with it, and you're gonna just be more successful. All right, now let's move on to the second mistake that I see new traders make. Now, before we do that, hit that like button and subscribe if you guys are enjoying this video. Do it right now. Thank you. All right, so moving on to the second mistake that I see traders making is actually trading too much. And I know you're saying, Carter, what does this even mean? It pretty much means that you're highly invested with emotion. Now, emotion makes up, in my opinion, about 85% of trading, because what tends to happen is you lose. You lose some money. All day traders lose money at some point in their career, but it's how you bounce back from it. Now, some traders, newer traders, beginner traders immediately go, I need to get that back. I have to trade right now. I have to trade this second. I got to try to get that money back. No, you're going to have losses. So what I would recommend doing is, one, being very, very patient. Only trade one time a day. I know this is so unconventional, but it worked well for me. So adjust it, maybe 2 or 3 times may work well for you. But my strategy and mindset was, if I only have 1 trade per day, it's going to be the best trading setup. It's going to be the best stock with the most potential. And I found that when I am very, very patient and actually looking for the best opportunities, I am a lot more successful than trying to just trade every single stock out there. So yes, I felt like trading 1 time a day worked well for me, but like I said, you guys can always adjust it. I just feel like emotion is so important, and it taught me to be very, very patient and look for those opportunities. All right, moving on to the last and final thing that I see 95% of new day traders make is actually thinking they learned everything. I know this is crazy, But honestly, I see this time and time again. Traders go, oh, I already know that. I already know that. I already know that. I don't need to do this. I don't need to do that. Like I mentioned, it's completely okay to paper trade for a year, 2 years, 3 years. The mindset that I have and strategy and all that stuff is, how long does it take a doctor to become a doctor or an engineer to become an engineer? It takes a long time. It takes years, decades. So if you're trying to become a day trader in a year or 30 days, that's not gonna do well for you. You're gonna burn through cash, burn through capital, because you're not understanding, you're not learning these markets. You need to invest the time. The mindset that I have, the quote that always stuck with me with trading is, the more you learn, the more you will earn. So yes, try to learn as much as you can. You can always learn more. There's no such thing as not learning enough. Reading books, taking courses, watching YouTube videos, even if you've already watched those YouTube videos, even if it's a $5 book, you may get a small bit of information off a $10 book that can make you hundreds or thousands of dollars. So just take that little time and invest it in yourself. You will not regret it, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. The top 3 mistakes that I see new day traders making. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe. We will see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there.